managed to get it to work. So as you can see, hopefully, let me switch off the light. The display is working, everything is working. What is wrong, or what failed? So what I've done, I've connected 4.2 volts directly to the power socket that is here where the battery goes, and that works. It's not going to work through the USB port, and the reason for that, it is alarming that the quality, air quality, PM measurements is not connected. That's why it's alarming. But it's not going to work from USB socket because there is a battery controller, battery charge controller that is here, and this one is broken. It does not work correctly, so that needs to be replaced, and all of that should be working again. Or alternatively, what we could do, I could make it USB power only. The other possible problem is battery. Battery is 3 years old, so it's possible if it was connected all the time. It's failing, but yeah, I'll have a look. I'm tempted to actually make it USB only. There is the voltage actually is stepped up, so there is 4.2 voltage coming in from the battery, but here we had a step up DC-DC converter, and here is actually 5 volts. So I could connect USB socket directly to this point, and that should provide correct voltage for the whole circuit. And maybe this may be an option. I need to check this particle detector and see if this is going to show the correct values. If that's the case, then I have a working quality, air quality detector all repaired. Makes sense.